So if the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, roots are, first root is x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, if some terms we cannot factorize, whenever you cannot factorize, you can do by this method. Just you should recognize what is a, what is b, what is c. If it is not in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, reduce it into standard form and then you should find abc. The first task is to reduce the given problem to what? Standard form. This is the standard quadratic equation. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we will go ahead with problems of theory of equations. Solve the following by formula method. So they are asking you to solve these equations by formula method. First, let us recollect the formula. So dear students, for a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. A is the quotient of x square, b is the quotient of x, and c is the constant. So if the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, roots are, first root is x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now problem they give, in this first you write a. What is a? Quotient of x square, that is 3. Then b, what is b? Quotient of x, that is minus 13. See, c is 12. Now formula, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b, write the formula without fail, plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. First your task is to write the formula, that is x is equal to minus, what is b? Minus 13, minus of minus 13 plus or minus root of b square means minus 13 the whole square minus 4ac, minus 4 into a means quotient of x, that is 3, c, what is c? 12 divided by what? 2a. So minus of minus 13 becomes plus 13 plus or minus root of minus the whole square becomes plus 13 square is 169 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144 divided by 2 times a. What is a? A is 3, 2 into 3, that is 13 plus or minus root of 169 minus 144 gives you 25. So this will give you what? 25. Root 25 divided by what? 6. 13 plus or minus root 25 is 5 by 6. Now take the value. So x is equal to 13 plus 5 by 6 is 1 root, and the other root is x is equal to 13 minus 5 by 6. Simplify this. All of you know 13 plus 5 gives you 18 by 6. 18 by 6 is 6 ones are 6 threes are. So one of the root is 3. The other root 13 minus 5. 13 you subtract 5, so it will become 8 by 6. So that is 2 4s are 2, 3s are 4 by 3. So you got two roots, 3 and 4 by 3. 13 minus 5 if you do, you will get 8. 8 by 6 is 2 3s are 2 4s are 4 by 3. Two roots, 3 and 4 by 3 are the roots by formula. Next, here a is 1, b is 3 and c is minus 28, and x is what? Minus p plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute it. So x is equal to minus b, that is minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, that is 3 square, minus 4ac. A is what? 1, and c, what is c? C is minus 28 divided by what? 2a. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square is 9, minus of minus becomes plus, 4 8s are 32, 3, and 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, minus into minus is plus divided by 2. A is what? 1. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 121 divided by 2. So we got x value, two values. One of the x values minus 3 plus root 121 by 2. that is x is plus or minus, that is x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 121 is 11 by 2. So I will take x is equal to minus 3 plus 11 by 2, that is one root. The other root is x is equal to minus 3 minus 11 by 2. So x is equal to 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 gives you what? 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is what? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equal to 2, and x is equal to what? Minus 14 divided by 2. So that will give you x is equal to minus 7. So you got two roots. Therefore x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 7 are the roots. So we are using formula. In last class we used what? Use the factorization method. We have to factorize, middle term factorization we have done. But formula method is very much suitable because the formula, what is the formula? The x is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That will be the suitable formula. Why? Because see, some terms we cannot factorize. Whenever you cannot factorize, you can do by this method. Just you should recognize what is a, what is b, what is c. Once you recognize a, b, c, substitute in the formula, and finally you will get the roots. See, formula method can be used when factorization is difficult, but always formula method works, but always factorization does not work. That's why become thorough with the formula. Next, solve the following by formula method. A is 5 and b is minus 7 and c is minus 12. A, B, C you got, A, B, C. Then formula, what is formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x is equal to minus b means minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of b square. B square means what? Minus 7 the whole square minus 4ac. A is what? 5. C is what? Minus 12 divided by 2a. 2 times 5. Simplify this, x becomes 7 plus or minus root of 49 plus 12 5 is a 60, 64 is a 240 divided by 10. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 289 divided by what? 10. So check whether it is a perfect square. So 289, you can use calculators. 17 into 17 if you try. 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11, 17. So that is 289. So 289 is what? Perfect square. It is 17. Root 289 is 17. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus root what? 289 divided by, we got 10. So simplify this, I can write it as x is equal to 7 plus or minus 17 divided by 10. Split it into two factors, that is x is equal to 7 plus 17 by 10 is one value, and the other one is x is equal to 7 minus 17 by 10. So we will get two roots. So one x is 7 plus 17 is 27 by 10, and the other root is 7 plus 7 is 24 by 10, 17 plus 7. The other one is x is equal to minus 10 by 10. So 24 by 10 is divisible by 2. 2 12s are 2 5s are 12 by 5 is one of the root. This is minus 1. Minus 1 is other root. So two roots, minus 1 and 12 by 5. So here a is what? Quotient of x square. But so first let us rearrange. So they give 12x square minus 7x is equal to minus 3. So bring minus 3 to LHS. So it will become 12x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now find the value of a. A is what? 12. So it's 2 given in the problem is 2. So take 2 only. A is 2, B is minus 7, C is positive 3. After you rearrange, you will get C as 3. Use the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the value. So minus b means minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of b square. B square means minus 7 the whole square minus 4ac. What is a? 2. What is c? 3 divided by 2a. 2 times what is a? 2. That is minus of minus becomes plus 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 3 2 is 6, 4 are 24 divided by 4. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 24 by 4. That is x is equal to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 becomes 25 under root divided by 4. You know, root 25 is what? 5. 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So now we'll have two roots. X is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4. X is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So that is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12 by 4. 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4. So that is 4 ones are 4 threes are. One of the value of x is 3. 4 ones are 4 threes are. The other value is 1 by 2. So 2 roots by formula. But very important, first RHS should become 0. Always standard equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. RHS make it 0. Then find c. Now the c is what? 3. Then substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. Next. Then it's a direct question. X square plus 6x plus 8. A is 1 and b is 6 and c is 8. And the formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute in the formula, so we'll get x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square minus 4ac, 4 1 into 8 divided by what? 2a, 2 into, say, what is a? 1. Simplify this, so you'll get x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square is 36 minus 4, 8 4s are 32 divided by 2a, 2 times a is 2 ones are 2. So x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 32 gives you root 4 by 2. You know x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 2 by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 2 by 2. Split it, so x is equal to minus 6 plus 2 by 2 and x is equal to minus 6 minus 2 by 2. So this will become x is equal to minus 4 by 2 and this is x is equal to minus 8 by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to what? Minus 4. So you got the values of x. What are the roots? Minus 2 and minus 4 are the roots. Then here a is 3 and b is minus 1 and c is minus 10. Use the formula. Always write the formula without fail. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by what? 2a. Substitute in the formula. When you substitute in the formula, you will get x is equal to minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 1 the whole square minus 4ac. What is a? A is 3 and c is what? Minus 10. Simplify this. 2a, 2 into 3, that is x is equal to minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1 root of 1 minus of minus plus 120 divided by 6. Further simplify, it will become x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, so root 121 divided by 6. So further x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 11 by 6. X is equal to minus 1 plus 11 by 6 and same x is equal to minus 1 minus 11 by 6. So split this, so it will become 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is 2 3s are 2 4s are, sorry 2 5s are. So one of the values 5 by 3. The other one x is equal to minus 12 by 6, that is x is equal to minus 2. So two roots you got, one of the root is 5 by 3, the other root is minus 2. So every problem formula method we are using. Sometimes problems will be like this. Here the problem is not in standard form. It is not in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Reduce it into standard form and then you should find ABC. So multiply 2x into x, 2x into 4x minus 2x into 1, bring 15 to LHS, so it will become minus 15 equal to 0. The given problem is 2 4s are 8x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we got the value of a is 8 and b is minus 2 and c is minus 5 minus 15. Now use the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. Minus b means minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square means minus 2 the whole square minus 4ac. What is a? 8 and c is 15 divided by what? 2a. That is x is equal to 2 plus or minus root of, what is b square? Again 4 minus ac. What is a? A minus 15, c is minus 15. I have to put minus 15. So minus into minus becomes plus. 8 4s are 32 into 15 plus 32 into 15 divided by 2a. What is 2a? 2 into a is what? 8. 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 15 2s are 30, 0, 3, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 3, 48, 480 divided by 16. 2 plus or minus root of 484 divided by 16 into the root 24. You can try 24. 24 into 20 is a root 22. Sorry, 22 into 22 you try. So 2 to the 4 4 4 4. It will be 484. So x value is exactly 2 plus or minus root 484. You can use calculators also. It will give you 22 divided by what? 16. So x is equal to one value is 2 plus 22 by 16. The other value is x is equal to 2 minus 22 by 16. So 22 plus 2 is 24 by 16. The other one is minus 20 by 16. So now 4 6 is 4 4 is 2 is or okay, 4 6 is 24, 4 4 is 16, 2 2 is 2 3 is 3 by 2, 3 is 2 3 is 2 10 is minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3 and 3 by 2 are the roots. Apply same method, bring it to this side. So 12x square plus 23x minus 24 equal to 0. You got ABC, A is 12, B is 23, C is minus 24. Use the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So substitute in the formula and get the relevant answers. You will get two different roots. I hope all of you understood formula method. First, the problem should be in the standard form. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then you should find ABC. Then use this formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here, b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. If discriminant is positive or 0, you will get real roots. If it is negative, you will have imaginary roots. Use this formula and apply the values, you will get the value. That is x is equal to minus b. Minus b means what? Minus 23 plus or minus root of b square. What is b square? 23 square minus 4ac. What is a? 12. C. What is c? C is minus 24 divided by what? 2a. 2 times what is a? 12. So use calculators to simplify this kind of problems because calculators are allowed. 23 square if you do. 23 square if you do 23 into 23, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so 9, 12, so 529, then minus of minus becomes plus, 12 4s are 48 into 24 divided by 24, that is minus 23 plus or minus root of, simplify this, 529 plus 24 into 48, 48 into 24. I am asking you to use calculator. 8 4s are 32, 3, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9, so 2, 15, so 11, 1152, 1152 divided by what? 24. Simplify this further. So use calculators, simplify this, take root and you will get two relevant roots. It is similar to the other problems. So in today's class, we have done standard equation of quadratic equation. Any problem, reduce it into what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And it will have two roots. What are the two roots? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So memorize this formula, and once you are thorough with the formula, then I think it is easy. First task is to reduce the given problem to what? Standard form. This is the standard quadratic equation. Quotient of x square is a, quotient of x is b, quotient of constant is c, and then we should use this formula. Remember this formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So by this I conclude the class. Thanks for attending. Thank you.